What's up, everybody? Tactical Bearded Dad here, and we are at the range with the Alpha Foxtrot Romulus. These are the first shots. Hopefully you can hear me. We are going to be running a couple mags through it, just see how it runs. Again, these are very first shots. Let's see how it goes. Mag 1 down. Mag 2. All right, 3 mags through, 124 grain, not a single hiccup. I gotta say, I'm pretty happy with that. All right, we're back with the Romulus Alpha Foxtrot. We just ran 3 mags through it. Not a single hiccup. It did really, really well. I'm very impressed. This time, what we're gonna do is I've got 1 in 1 mag, 2 in another mag, 3 and another mag. We're just going to go from mag to mag, just trying to make sure all mags are working good, no issues, just trying to kind of, I guess, play around with it. So let's see. Hopefully you got all that. All right, so let's talk about this Romulus a little bit more. So again, 2011, this is the 4 1/4 model. You get full DLC. We've got an extended slide stop. You've got ambi safeties. You do have the mag well with it. It is RMSC flush and reverse crown barrel. Barrel is DLC as well. You get the night sights. So trigger, 3.5 pound trigger. I mean, what else can you ask for in a $1,500 gun? I think it's priced very well so far. Like I said, you know, we've ran probably 4 mags through it so far, and we've not had a single hiccup using a couple different brands of 124. I don't have any 115 with me right now because I normally just run 124, but we will be testing it with that as well. But I'm just trying to see how well it performs right out of the box, and just trying to give y'all a little bit of feedback on this gun as well, because I know there's not much out there for it. So we're going to take a couple more rounds. Again, they come with MBX mags, so very happy with it. So just look at the recoil. Again, this is not ported or anything like that. I'm not going crazy insane with my grip. I just got a nice grip on it, and we are being able to mitigate it very nicely. As you can see, I am very used to this one is very able to control it very easily. It's getting right back on target. I know everybody likes to talk about return to zero and all that kind of stuff, but you know, honestly, with it, for me, it's just how well I mitigate the recoil, how fast I can get back on target. Am I having any malfunctions, anything like that? And so far, I have not had a single hiccup with this gun. Nothing. It has performed great. I've tried 4 different mags. I've got the MBX, I've got a Tri-Arc, I've got a Atlas and a Staccato, and not a single issue with any of the mags. The mags insert nicely, they pop right out when you need them. So you can't be upset with that. I mean, it just pops once you actually put them in there. It just comes right out, no issues. So it's very nice. Again, a couple more rounds. So what else can you ask for? Alpha Foxtrot Romulus, Duluth, Georgia. So I like that they are right next door to me. But we're going to keep playing around with this, and I will be back. All right, y'all, so we're still here with the Alpha Foxtrot Romulus. We're going to do something. I'm just trying to come up with some to do with it, but we're going to do 5 rounds, 124, and then 5 rounds self-defense. I do not remember what self-defense ammo this is, but I just happen to have some with me, so we're going to do 5 rounds and 5 rounds and see how it does differently. So again, Alpha Foxtrot Romulus. Five rounds F&J, now 5 rounds self-defense. So, did you see a difference? Are you liking it? I gotta say, I'm very impressed with it. So, I would definitely be checking them out. Again, Alpha Foxtrot 1911 double stack Romulus.